Hi everyone, Dr. Saira here. Today's video is going to be on how to make that perfect smoothie. So smoothies are a great way to build some key nutrients into your daily routine. When it comes to smoothies, it's really important that it's not just fruits you're adding. There's actually 5 components that go into making a smoothie healthy. So the first component is protein. Always make sure your smoothie has a source of protein, whether it be adding some plant-based protein or some chia seeds. Those are great options for protein. Second component you want to make sure your smoothie has is some fiber. So flax seeds are a great option, or hemp seeds are also a great option for a good source of fiber. Thirdly, you want to make sure that your smoothie has a good source of healthy fats. So that could be maybe a tablespoon to 2 of coconut oil or flaxseed oil. This is what's going to keep you fuller for longer. Fourthly, you always want to make sure you're adding a handful of greens for those great antioxidants. And then fifth component of a smoothie would be your fruits. Now always make sure to add the low glycemic fruits like berries, and really try to stay away from the high sugary fruits like bananas and mangoes. If you do like the consistency that bananas have in your smoothie, try to counterbalance that with an avocado instead. Now this smoothie is great for summertime. However, most people are not really, don't really want that smoothie first thing in the morning when it comes to winter. And according to Chinese medicine, when it's damp and cold outside, we should really be focusing on warming foods internally. So how can we make our smoothies optimal for winter months? So here are some tips to make that perfect winter smoothie. Tip number 1 is to add some warming spices like ginger, turmeric, and cinnamon. These spices are great to stimulate digestion. Tip number 2 is to use room temperature ingredients instead of using frozen ingredients. Tip number 3 is to add some healthy fats like coconut oil into your smoothie. This helps to create a little bit of warming texture into your smoothie. And then tip number 4 is to leave your smoothie out on the counter for maybe an hour or so it gets to warm up before you ingest it. So there you go. There you have your perfect summer smoothie and your perfect winter smoothie. Leave your comments down below and tell us what your favorite ingredients are to add in your smoothie. Thanks guys.